How much?
$1.
No. How much?
$2.
No. How much? Oh no.
$3.
How much? Oh, good.
Yes, because that is MagicJohn. We protect your phone for years. If you don't believe it, you can click on that yellow card, get yourself one already. This is what we look like. Not only we have this blue alignment tape, but also this dust removal tape. All the hassle you went through to get screen protector done, we solved it. First, use the cloth we gave you, get rid of the glass and the fingerprint looking like this. We're all set. Smack it on, put it as removal tape, swipe it here, peel that. Look, it's attaching already. Now you can lift it. Run your finger through the corner and the edges. Remove the last layer. There you go. Almost there. Use the cloth we gave you, run through the corner. Only 3 steps, less than 10 seconds. Not only no dust, no air bubble, no misalignment, anyone. I'm talking about anyone, even the first timer, you can do this to a perfection. Privacy version, 28 degrees from each end, cute cat, but you just want that to keep it to yourself. Electroplated, hydrophobic, oleophobic layer, water does not stay. Fingerprint, no chance. Now, ugh. Look at that. Look at this, not even a little smudge. So click the yellow card, get this one right now.